Hey, it's Anissa, and I'm so excited to bring to you a deal on this emergency food supply. Now, I've wanted to carry one for a long time, but they can be insanely expensive. Well, we got a great deal on this, and it's made by ReadyWise. Now, they boast about their long shelf life, and let me tell you, there's some great stuff in here. Now, you're gonna get food to last for up to 72 hours for one person. And it's great food. Here's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get mac and cheese. That's one of my favorite. You also get 2 bags of oatmeal. How about teriyaki rice? Now that's really good. And you get some hearty soup. This is tortilla soup. And if that wasn't enough, they throw in a bag of a milk alternative. This is made from whey. All the nutrients are listed on the back of the box so you can see it all. Each day you're gonna get 1,800 calories from this food, so it is hearty. Now I believe every household should have some emergency food kits. Hey, the world is crazy, the weather's gone wild, and it seems like power outages are more frequent. Maybe you're not going to be able to get to the store. Well, no worries, you've always got food at hand. Now here's another thing that I really love. This is made in the USA. So you've got a long shelf life, made in the USA, and great tasting food. You'll see that the instructions are not complicated. Now you can use this with boiling water or room temperature water, which is really great because these are made for an emergency and you may not have access to a heat source. To reiterate, each box is designed for one person for 72 hours worth of food. So think about how many people are in your household and how many boxes you're gonna need. The great thing is we have an amazing deal on it, but our quantities are limited. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab your food kits today.